Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Today we are gonna make khandvi. This is a Gujarati snack and it tastes amazingly delicious. This Gujarati snack recipe is very easy to make, just need to follow the right process. So without any further delay, let's get started. To prepare khandvi, here I have taken a big bowl. On top of that, I have taken a strainer. Now we'll take 1 cup of besan, which is also known as chickpea flour. It's very easily available in any kind of grocery store. Add besan in the strainer. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of haldi, which is also known as turmeric powder, half a teaspoon hing, which is also known as asafoetida. Now sieve all the ingredients into the bowl. After that, we will mix everything. After everything is very well incorporated, we will add 1 cup sour curd, or which is also known as yogurt. Make sure the yogurt that you are using is little sour, not the fresh one. Now combine yogurt into besan. Remove all the lumps. You can also use whisk or electric hand mixer if you want, or you can mix with spoon like me. So I have prepared a very smooth paste. You can see there are no lumps. At this stage we will add 1 cup regular water. Then start mixing everything. Make sure you remove all the lumps before adding the water, else it will be very hard to remove after adding the water. Now I am adding half a cup more water to this besan mixture. Mix everything and now our very runny thin besan mixture is ready to prepare beautiful delicious khandvi. Now we will start cooking this besan mixture. For that, here I have taken a kadhai. Pour besan mixture into the kadhai before switching on the heat. Then switch on the flame on medium and slowly we will start cooking this mixture. Keep stirring all the time. Otherwise besan will stick to the bottom and all the process will be ruined. Friends, if you are new to my channel and like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. I come up with new recipes every Wednesday and Saturday. Now slowly you will see the besan has started to become thick, but we haven't gotten the right consistency yet. So keep stirring it. It will take about 12 minutes altogether to cook. So after cooking for 13 minutes, our paste is ready to prepare khandvi. Now here I have taken a big steel plate. First we will grease the plate. For that I have taken 2 to 3 drops of oil. With the help of brush I will spread all around the plate. Same way we will grease backside of the plate. Since we are going to use both sides to make khandvi, I'm keeping the plate on another plate so that it doesn't get dirty from the bottom. Now we will take the besan paste that we prepared into the plate and start spreading evenly. This side is almost ready. As you can see, I tried to spread this as thin as possible, although not very thin, else it will start breaking in between while preparing the khandvi. Now flip the plate and apply the besan paste same way. This side is also ready. Now we will let this set and cool down completely before removing. Same way we will prepare other plates. With 1 cup of besan, I could prepare 3 large size plates. After about 10 minutes, these plates are set and now they are ready to prepare some delicious khandvi. With the help of knife, I am cutting long and wide strips of these khandvis. However, long and short you can choose according to your preference. After cutting them, we will start removing them from the plate. As you can see how with the help of two fingers very carefully I am removing this khandvi. Keep rolling khandvi inside. As you can see, our beautiful delicious khandvi is ready. Transfer that into a plate. Here I am showing you guys how you can make a small size of khandvi. After giving a cut in between, I am rolling the khandvi inside. Here our smaller version of khandvi is ready. So friends, you can make long, short, big, small size of khandvi as per your choice. Sometimes it will break while rolling, but not to worry. Keep rolling and you will get the perfect khandvi. So here our khandvis are ready. Let's complete these khandvis with tadka. For that, in a pan I am adding 1 tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon mustard seeds. Add quarter teaspoon asafoetida and some curry leaves. Mix everything. Then add the tadka evenly on khandvis. You can also add some dry roasted sesame seeds and some coriander leaves to enhance the flavor. You must have heard of that dialogue of Kareena Kapoor in Three Idiots that Gujarati dishes names are like bombs like khandvi, khakra, handvi, dhokla. They are bomb in flavors also. When you eat them, you will feel blast of flavors in your mouth. In Gujarat, khandvis are served as breakfast or as an evening snack. Try this khandvi recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love it because this is so delicious and so flavorful. Friends, if you like my video, give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay healthy, stay safe. Till the next video. Bye bye.